Have you ever noticed that some people who achieve great success in their careers aren't exactly the nice guys we often imagine? They seem to possess a charm that's hard to ignore, but also carry a hint of danger. Behind the success of these individuals, there may be an unknown trait. Today, we will reveal the psychological phenomenon behind this trait, Dark Triad. The Dark Triad consists of 3 personality traits: Narcissism, Machiavellianism, and Psychopathy. These traits are often given a negative label in traditional views, but in modern society, having these traits to a certain extent can be the key to success. Today, we will analyze each trait in depth, see how they operate in successful people, and how ordinary people can apply them in their lives. Before we dive in, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on our daily dose of educational and inspirational videos. Let's get started. Number 1. Narcissism. Believing in your uniqueness. Narcissists usually have strong faith in their own abilities, which can even be described as overconfidence. Although this confidence can come across as arrogant, it often helps them seize opportunities when they arise and quickly win the attention and trust of others. In a competitive environment, having this kind of confidence is one of the key factors that determines success. Imagine facing an important project or job opportunity. If you lack strong confidence in your abilities, how can you convince others that you are the best candidate? A certain level of narcissism can help you demonstrate your value at critical moments in life. Narcissists are usually not afraid to take risks, and even in the face of failure, they remain optimistic. They see failure as a necessary step on the road to success, and this positive attitude is one of the key factors in their success. By consistently demonstrating their value, they attract more resources and opportunities, allowing them to stand out in the competition. To effectively maximize the positive effects of narcissism, we need to maintain a delicate balance. The key is to avoid becoming an obnoxious braggart. You can maintain this confidence by setting clear goals and working relentlessly toward them, while also learning to accept feedback and continually improve. Learning how to enhance your confidence through substantial efforts and objective evaluation will help you be more convincing and authentic when showcasing yourself. Number 2. Machiavellianism, strategic thinking and manipulation. Machiavellianism is a mindset centered on strategic thinking and pragmatism, involving keen analysis and manipulation to achieve goals. Although it may sound unethical, achieving goals strategically is not necessarily a bad thing in business and the workplace. Those who can accurately analyze situations, find the best path, and execute effectively are often more likely to succeed. Successful people are often skilled at analyzing human nature and social structures, understanding how to maximize their own interests. They can effectively utilize interpersonal relationships and apply appropriate strategies to achieve their goals. They have a deep understanding of human nature, allowing them to find the most effective course of action in complex environments. For example, in negotiations, they are adept at identifying and exploiting the weaknesses of others to achieve favorable outcomes. These strategic skills enable them to rise quickly in the workplace, gaining recognition from colleagues and superiors. However, strategic manipulation does not necessarily mean sacrificing others' interests. The key lies in applying these strategies to legitimate goals, such as team management or conflict resolution, rather than using them to harm or deceive others. Ordinary people can also learn the essence of this trait by understanding human nature and situations to make wise decisions while ensuring ethical conduct. Number 3. Psychopathy, emotional control. The term psychopathy may sound chilling, but here we are focusing on the aspects of emotional calmness and stress management. People with psychopathic traits are often able to remain calm under extreme pressure, and are not easily swayed by emotions. This emotional control is incredibly valuable in business negotiations and crisis management. Successful individuals are often able to remain calm under high-pressure situations and make rational decisions, something many ordinary people find challenging. They are not distracted by external noise but stay focused on achieving their goals. When faced with unexpected situations, their response is usually calm and swift, allowing them to find the optimal solution. This ability not only helps them navigate crises, but also allows them to stay ahead in the competition. This ability to stay calm enables them to maintain a clear head in complex interpersonal relationships and not be swayed by emotions. Whether dealing with demanding projects or intense competition, emotional control is a crucial factor in their success. For ordinary people, learning these emotional management techniques can help us better cope with stress in life and work, and make rational decisions. By practicing meditation, breath control, and other emotional regulation techniques, we can gradually cultivate similar emotional control. Clearly, the Dark Triad traits are not something that everyone should fully embrace. If left unchecked, these traits can lead to negative consequences and even cause harm to oneself and others. However, for those who can use these traits in moderation, these dark sides can actually become secret weapons for success. What we can learn from these traits is that moderate confidence, strategic thinking, and emotional control are abilities we can cultivate to drive our personal growth. The important thing is to find a balance between these traits and moral responsibility to use their power while not forgetting to be a person who benefits society and others. In daily life, we can practice self-improvement and self-control to learn how to use these traits appropriately. For example, by setting goals to enhance confidence, learning negotiation techniques to boost strategic thinking, and using meditation and emotional regulation to strengthen emotional control, we can benefit from these dark traits while avoiding their negative impacts. If you feel today's content has changed your understanding of success, please like and share it with your friends so they can also learn these hidden secrets to success. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating psychology topics. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. Do you think moderate dark traits can contribute to success, or have you had similar experiences? We look forward to hearing your stories. Let's stay strong, stay stoic.